Hello and aloha everyone! Today we're exploring the beautiful Kailua Kona on the Big Island of Hawaii. From coffee farms to turtle sightings, vibrant markets, and stunning views, nighttime manta ray snorkeling, and best local eats, we're about to discover the best of Kailua Kona. Let's dive in! First up is a coffee farm. No visit to Big Island is complete without tasting their world-renowned coffee beans. Kona coffee is often regarded as not only the best Hawaiian coffee, but also one of the finest coffees in the world, boasting a unique flavor profile and a rich history rooted in the slopes of Hawaii's Mauna Loa volcano. However, its premium status comes with a price tag that can leave many coffee lovers wondering, why is Kona coffee so expensive when compared to most other coffees? The answer coming up. We took a coffee farm tour in Greenwell Farms, voted Hawaii's best farm tour by Hawaii Magazine. We learned about the entire process of making coffee, from bean to cup. And of course, we got to taste some of the freshest coffee in Kona.
Representing a 35-mile-long stretch of land. 35 miles long by about 1.5 miles wide at its widest point. Within this 35-mile section, you're going to find unique and special environmental factors. When you add all these factors together, you have given coffee the tools it needs to succeed.
One of the most impressive technologies they use here is a laser optical sorter. This high-tech machine uses laser technology to identify and remove overripe or underripe coffee beans, ensuring that only the best quality beans make it to your cup.
Like it amounts to a lot of waste, but we are going to compost anything that doesn't make the grade.
And what I learned today is that this is an Arabica type coffee. 90% of the coffee beans here are harvested by hand. And the typical harvester harvests about 100 pounds per day. And the really good ones, about 300 to 500 pounds per day. Amazing! So another fun fact, it takes 10 months from tree to coffee. That's a long duration of time. The reason why Kona coffee is so good is because of the altitude, the weather, the elevation, the type of soil that we have here. Yeah, and also the yeast and the bacteria that eat away at the fermentation. So all of those contribute to very well brewed coffee. The volcanic soil is so rich in mineral. Look at this bacon avocado tree. What a bountiful tree. The coffee farm tour is super fun and super informative. This is definitely something to add in your bucket list for the Big Island. Next up, we went snorkeling at one of the best spots for turtle sightings at Kahaluu Beach Park. We were lucky enough that we spotted several when we were there. Kahaluu is a real-life aquarium, and we kid you not. Kahaluu is a white protected bay on the Kona coast just a few miles south of Kailua Town Center and offers some of the island's best and most easily accessible snorkeling. Beneath the surface of Kahaluu Bay's crystal clear, brilliant blue waters, we came face to face with sea turtles and a variety of brightly colored tropical fish. It was spectacular. The only thing we found challenging was getting into the water. We had to navigate over some lava rock, which can be slippery and tough on the feet, so we recommend wearing water shoes or neoprene surf socks. Beach volunteers were also a stickler here for ensuring we used reef-safe sunscreen. So make sure your sunscreen contains only titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. And if all else fails and you forgot yours, there's a new reef-safe sunscreen dispenser that has been installed for public consumption. turtle encounter. I almost feel guilty sharing this next activity, but I'm sure that through enough research, you will discover it anyway. We're at Kailua National Historic Park. I forgot the other name. I think it's called Kahaluu National Historic Park, and it's a great turtle sighting. And so we're here this morning, and we did spot several turtles already that are on the bay, and we're waiting for them to come ashore. You can see Gerald going after the turtles there. He's staying definitely 20 feet away, but he took his GoPro and submerged it in water and got some pretty good footage of some turtles.
I got a good one.
Good!
There's a turtle right there. Kahaluu, where you see green sea turtles over here, and we filmed a couple of them already. Let's see if we can get any more. We had to go through the jungle to get here. There's Amy. We had to go through that jungle to get here, but it's beautiful.
All right, let's get back to land activities. Located just 15 minutes south of Kona International Airport, stroll down the main road of Ali'i Drive, and you'll find a variety of shops and restaurants. But look closer and you'll also discover some very important Hawaii Island historic spots. Hulihe'e Palace and the Maku'ua Ka'ua Church are both located right on Ali'i Drive.
From 1820, the oldest church here in Hawaii, in all of its magnificent splendor, with spires reaching to the sky and stone gates all around.
Kailua Pier is a great place to watch the sunset, and it is also the starting and finishing point of the Ironman World Championship. Farmers Market was a good stop too during the walk. I don't recommend parking here though. I heard horror stories about parking fees, like $10 every half hour. It's rather small market to me, but folks said it's half the size it used to be pre-COVID. Still, it's where I got my papaya allotment for the week, and those were the best papayas I've had. All right, next up, let's talk about food. There are 4 places that we are recommending. The first one is called 808 Grinds Cafe. They are almost always busy, and we got lucky that we went early in the morning and got seated. They specialize in ube pancakes and macadamia nut pancakes. We ended up ordering their special Loco Moco as well as their macadamia nut pancake with coconut sauce. Our next recommendation is to go to Costco. Yes, you heard me right, Costco. The Costco in Kona is a treasure trove of island-exclusive items that reflect the state's rich culture. Among the standout offerings are local snacks, such as Ono shrimp chips and macadamia nuts in various flavors. And, of course, the well-known Kona coffee. We couldn't pass up their very, very fresh sushi and poke. Another place that we highly, highly recommend when you want to catch the game or just hang out for happy hour is the bar at the Royal Kona Resort. The views are simply spectacular, and we have shelter from the occasional rain. Their Mai Tais are pretty good too.
About to enjoy a nice lunch here, haven't gotten it yet, and
Always supporting wherever we are.
Woohoo!
Always a faithful. Our last recommendation for Kona is Umeke's Fish Market Bar and Grill. They do get really busy, but we didn't have to wait long for our seat as they have both indoor and outdoor seating. We enjoyed the great cool vibe and the live music.
I'm having the garlic calamari.
Calamari, it looks really good.
Yeah, and here you go. Hello.
With Grey Goose.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're starting off with our appetizer. This is the poke nachos. It looks pretty huge.
And we have twin C today.
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at this. Poke with seaweed on really perfect nachos.
Yay!
And back to the water again. The last activity that we're recommending for Kona is nighttime snorkeling with giant manta rays.
Yeah, they touched each other.
If you want to know more about snorkeling with manta rays in Kona, check out my channel or click the link in the description below. Well, this wraps it up for our Discover Kailua Kona video, the best of Big Island of Hawaii. Thank you again for tuning in. Until next time, this is Amy signing off. Stay tuned for videos on Hilo as well as Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Aloha!